love you. Are the puppies playing ball? Come here. Magnus. Hi. Come here. Yeah. Magnus. Am I to play the ball? What's this, Gigi? Oh. Come here. The doggies run you over. I'm sorry. Come here. Come here, honey. Come here. I love you. One day you're going to grow up and you're going to get those doggies back. I promise. Yes, you are. Just a few months, you're going to be chasing them. Here you go. Ta-da! Look at you. You're standing up. You're standing up. There you go. You're a big boy. I love you. I do. Love you, baby.